If you think woodworking is all about basic hand tools and sawdust, think again. In this video, we're looking at 20 woodworking tools that are on a whole different level. Innovative, powerful, and built to impress. Let's get started. Eccentric Furniture Connector Set. The Eccentric Furniture Connector Set is a versatile solution for building and repairing custom furniture. It enables the creation of screwable surface, corner, and T-shaped joints that can be easily disassembled and reassembled, making it ideal for cabinets, shelves, tables, and more. The set includes a two-part drilling template made of durable plastic, along with drill bits equipped with depth stops to ensure precise, depth-limited drilling. The template features a standard 32mm hole pattern, allowing users to drill rows of holes, such as those used for adjustable shelving. Multi-extension shaft. The multi-extension shaft is a versatile power extension accessory for electric drills with an 8mm shank, designed to improve access and control in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. It extends the drill's reach and allows for functions such as sanding and using a keyless chuck. The unique feature of this extension shaft is its non-rotating outer body. While the spindle rotates, the body can be held by hand for greater stability and safety during operation. Easy to install and compatible with a range of man-pay tools. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a high-performance wood carving and milling tool designed for use with 115mm or 125mm angle grinders. CNC machined from a single piece of high-strength aluminum, it features replaceable and resharpenable hard metal cutting elements for long-lasting precision. Engineered for professional use in crafts, carving, and creative woodworking, it enables fast, clean surface removal on both soft and hardwoods, while maintaining safety through chip thickness limitation to reduce kickback. Indexable Joiners Combination Squares. The Blue Spruce Toolworks Indexable Joiners Combination Squares redefine the traditional combination square by tailoring it specifically for fine joinery and hand-cut dovetails. While conventional squares combine 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles, ideal for general carpentry, the Indexable squares integrate a precise 90-degree face with traditional dovetail angles, offering the exact geometry needed for classic woodworking joints. Built for accuracy and versatility, these squares feature a laser-engraved scale that locks into the head at each full inch. G0995. The Grizzly G0995. Wood Lathe is a high-performance, digitally controlled lathe designed to transform your wood-turning experience with exceptional power, precision, and versatility. Featuring a computerized 3-horsepower DVR motor, it delivers smooth, consistent performance without the need for belts or pulleys, using up to 80% less power than traditional lathes. With 8 programmable speed presets, spindle reversing, and programmable assisted braking, you gain precise control over every aspect of your turning. Leather Paddle Strop. Leather Paddle Strop is the ideal tool for maintaining razor-sharp edges on your chisels, marking knives, plane irons, and more. Crafted with 2 textures of premium cowhide wrapped around a precisely flattened white oak paddle, it offers both aggressive and fine honing surfaces. The rough textured side is perfect for stropping bevels, while the smooth side preserves the mirror polish on chisel backs. Designed for quick, frequent use, the strop allows you to keep your tools in peak condition with just a few backward strokes charged with honing compound. No need to wait until they're dull. Carter Stabilizer. The Carter Bandsaw Stabilizer is a revolutionary patented bandsaw guide designed to deliver exceptional stability and unmatched versatility when working with blades 1/4 inch or less in width. Its innovative design helps improve cutting precision and control, making it ideal for both resawing and intricate scroll cutting. Installation is fast and straightforward. Simply remove your bandsaw's upper guides and slip the stabilizer into the side support block holder or swap it in place of existing Carter upper guides. Milescraft 3403. Grabber. The Milescraft 3403 Grabber is a versatile workshop essential that enhances safety and control when working with power tools. Designed to hold workpieces securely, it's especially useful for longer materials when using 2 grabbers together. Featuring an ergonomic comfort grip handle, it keeps your hands safely angled away from cutting tools while providing superior control. The non-marring diamond grip rubber bottom firmly holds workpieces without damage, and its durable body ensures long-lasting performance. Bench Chisels. The One-Time Tool Collector's Vault Bench Chisels mark the beginning of a limited 4-year series from Woodpeckers, featuring a full lineup of 40 finely crafted chisels, including bench, dovetail, paring, mortise, and butt chisels. Each release will be available for just a 4-week order window and made to order only, with no additional stock produced. These chisels combine premium blue spruce chisel blades with elegantly designed handles that efficiently transfer mallet force while offering comfort and visual appeal. Setting gauge. The tool setting gauge is a precision-crafted workshop essential, available in both large and small sizes to suit various needs. Made from durable 14-gauge stainless steel with internal components machined in-house on Swiss lathes, it features a smooth-operating brass tightening wheel and outer washers for effortless adjustments. Designed for versatility, the gauge can be used vertically or horizontally to set accurate blade or bit heights and depths on tools like table saws, router tables, and drill presses. Garden stapler. The garden stapler is a highly efficient tool designed for tying plants quickly and securely, making it ideal for work in gardens, greenhouses, and orchards. Built for convenience and speed, it allows gardeners to fasten stems to supports with minimal effort, helping plants grow upright and stay organized. This durable device uses replaceable tape and staples, ensuring long-term usability and easy maintenance. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use over extended periods, reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. 20-inch chainsaw. The Ryobi 40-volt high-performance brushless 20-inch chainsaw kit delivers gas-like power, outperforming 50cc gas chainsaws. With a 20-inch bar, it handles cuts up to 36 inches, making it ideal for felling, bucking, and limbing. It features an automatic oiler, mechanical chain brake for safety, and tool chain tensioning with onboard tool storage. Powered by an 8-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it provides over 100 cuts per charge for efficient, cordless cutting performance. LockMate. The Milescraft LockMate is a user-friendly door lock installation jig, ideal for DIYers of any skill level. Designed for both interior and exterior doors, it includes durable 2 1/8 inch and 1-inch cobalt alloy bimetal hole saws for fast, clean cutting through wood or metal, whether solid or hollow core. Compatible with standard 1 3/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch thick doors, the jig features an anti-wear step drill guide, bushing for added durability. It allows for adjustable back sets of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches to fit most common lock and knob sizes. Number 43 Plough Plane. The number 43 Plough Plane is a versatile hand tool designed for cutting accurate grooves, rebates, and tongues. Ideal for tasks like grooving plywood panels, it features a durable rosewood fence that provides stability and precision. The plane includes an adjustable depth gauge and a double-arm bridge fence, allowing cuts up to 1/2 inch deep and 4 inches from the board edge. It comes with 4 blades, 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters for varying groove widths. Pole saw and mini chainsaw. The Sacker 2-in-1. Cordless pole saw and mini chainsaw combines reach and versatility in one powerful tool, making tree trimming safer and easier. No ladder needed. With a telescopic pole extending up to 78.74 inches, it's ideal for pruning tall branches or cutting at ground level. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers efficient performance with less maintenance. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to handle, it's the perfect solution for smart, hassle-free yard work. Mini table saw. The Sacker mini table saw packs serious cutting power into a compact design, making it ideal for hobbyists, model makers, and DIY enthusiasts. Despite its small size, it easily cuts through wood, plastic, and even metal with precision and control. With clearly marked angles, adjustable settings, and 7-speed control, it delivers clean, accurate cuts on every project. Its portable, sturdy build makes it perfect for tight workspaces or crafting on the go. Whether you're shaping miniature pieces or working on electronics, this versatile tool is ready to go. No complicated setup needed. Circular saw. The 165mm cordless circular saw is perfect for DIY projects at home, in the garden, or on the balcony. No power outlet needed. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement and easy handling, while the side handle provides added control during cutting. Equipped with lithium-ion battery, it's lightweight, compact, and includes a battery-level indicator. The cutting depth adjusts smoothly, and cutting chips are efficiently discharged. Parallel guide system. The Going Make. Parallel guide system is an essential accessory for track saw users, designed to deliver precise and repeatable cuts with ease. This system enhances track saw functionality by allowing micro-adjustable and zero calibration settings for quick setup and perfect accuracy every time. It features dual measurement scales, a laser etch scale with magnifier for easy readability, and supports rip cuts from 0 to 53 inches. Whether you're making standard or narrow cuts, this guide system ensures clean, consistent results. TSO MultiFunction Fence. The TSO MultiFunction Fence is designed for makers who demand precision and flexibility in every cut. Built from durable 6061 aluminum with a striking blue anodized finish, This fence system offers a solid, dependable reference edge for repeatable, accurate work. It features laser-engraved scales in both metric and imperial, a dual-arm flip stop for consistent positioning, and can be mounted vertically or horizontally to suit different tasks. The TSO fence installs quickly and adapts easily to your workflow. Made in the USA for lasting performance. FESTOOL Saw Blades. FESTOOL Saw blades are engineered for exceptional precision, durability, and performance. Designed specifically for FESTOOL track saws, circular saws, and table saws, each blade delivers clean, splinter-free cuts with minimal effort. Available in a range of tooth configurations and materials, FESTOOL blades are optimized for cutting wood, laminate, aluminum, plastics, and more. Laser-cut bodies and expansion slots reduce vibration and heat buildup, ensuring smoother cuts and longer blade life. That's it for our list of 20 next-level woodworking tools. Which one stood out to you the most? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching.